Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best free VPN with a dedicated IP address. Let's get started. Before we dive in, if you're looking for a reliable, hassle-free VPN that just works without any complicated setups, I highly recommend NordVPN. It offers a simple subscription with incredibly fast speeds, top-tier security, and works seamlessly for streaming and browsing. Try it for 30 days using the link below. Finding a truly free VPN that offers a dedicated IP is essentially impossible. A dedicated IP, a static address used only by you, is vital for secure tasks like online banking, accessing work servers, or bypassing frequent security verifications. Standard free VPNs provide shared, crowded IPs that are often slow, unreliable, and easily blocked by websites and services. However, there is a completely legitimate and risk-free method to access a premium VPN with a dedicated IP for a full month without paying anything. While NordVPN is a paid service, its 30-day money-back guarantee allows you to use its dedicated IP feature and then get a full refund. This is the closest and safest way to get this premium feature for free. You can access this offer through the link in the description below. The process is straightforward. You sign up, add the dedicated IP option, and are guided through claiming your unique address from several global locations. You then use the NordVPN app to connect specifically to your dedicated IP, giving you the high speed and robust security of a top-tier service, like military-grade encryption, with the consistency and trust of a static IP. This combination is perfect for accessing sensitive accounts that typically flag or block standard VPN connections. To ensure the experience remains free, you simply need to contact NordVPN support within the 30-day window and request a refund under their guarantee, which they are known for processing smoothly. This method stands in stark contrast to truly free VPNs, which not only lack a dedicated IP option, but also pose significant risks like data selling, weak encryption, and severe speed limitations. For anyone who needs the reliability of a dedicated IP for security, work, or accessibility, using NordVPN's trial period is the most effective and secure strategy. Don't forget to use the link in the description to get started and experience a premium VPN with a dedicated IP completely free for 30 days.